Hello, today me and my team members are going to present on our group project math about the title Compound Interest and Annuity from group MBA 1411A group 2. First, there is our team leader Rich Heaven Apollo. Secondly, there is me, Alex Tian Kaivun. And third, there is Muhammad Hamim Muqri bin Muhammad Helmee. So, to start off, let's go to Rich Heaven Apollo.
Alright, I'm going to begin. Madila wants to replace her old camera with high resolution digital camera costing 7,500. Her current camera is still in good condition, but she requires a new camera to support her work. She currently has 6,500 in saving. She is considering two options. Option A, buy the camera now, which by taking a personal loan of 1,000 at 6% interest compound amount for 2 years. Option B, save first, which is save her money 6,500 and account earning 6% interest compounding monthly and buy the camera using her only saving after 2 years. As you can see, you can use the data from the question and use the same formula to get 1,127.60. And for option B, you can just use the same equation and you will get 7,326.54. Alright, for the comparison, we just use her saving and the loan and minus the cost of the camera. Alright, from the comparison, just use the equation I given there. And for the option B, just use the same. And for the conclusion, overall, I think Madilda should choose option B because it's more financially beneficial as she can avoid getting debt to buy the camera. Alright, for question 2, Mr. J. Ibrahim owns a piece of agricultural land located near an area targeted for urban development. He may sell it immediately for 7,100, invested the amount of 3.5% interest compound monthly, or retain it for 2.5 years when the land value is projected to raise 1,010,000. Advise Mr. J. Ibrahim on which decision would be financially more beneficial. Alright, for question 2, option 1, sell immediately and invest. Just use the same formula as given and the result will be 949,433.85. And for option 2, retain for 2.5 years. The future volume is the same as 1010000. Then we make a difference, which is 101,000 minus 949,433.85, and you will get 60566.5. Therefore, Mr. J. Ibrahim should choose option 1 as it will be more beneficial as he could gain more 60566.15 more as he keep waiting. That is all from me. Moving on.
Hello, this is Alex Chen Kaivun, no matrix 2025816692. Today I'm going to explain about my question, that is part B, question 1 and question 2. For part B, question 1, Saif's father left an inheritance of 1.1 million ringgit Malaysia, which was divided in the ratio of 5:3/2 among Saif and his two siblings, Anjali and Rani. Saif used his entire share as the down payment for a fabric factory worth 1 million ringgit Malaysia. He then took a loan to cover the remaining costs of the factory. The bank charged 4.2% interest, compounded monthly, and the loan is to be repaid over a period of 25 years. Question 1a, find the monthly payment 5 mark. I equals to 0.042 per 12, n equals to 12 times 25 equivalent to 300 month. A equals to 1 million ringgit Malaysia minus 550,000 ringgit Malaysia equivalent to 450,000 ringgit Malaysia. Saif's shares of the dividend is a 1.1 million ringgit Malaysia times 5 per 10 equivalent to 550,000 ringgit Malaysia. So you can use the formula for the monthly payment to find R. After doing it, you can find R that is equals to 2,425.24 ringgit Malaysia. Question 1b. Calculate the interest charge 3 mark. You may use this formula I equals to open bracket R times N close bracket minus A. After adding up all the information, you may find I equals to 277,572 ringgit Malaysia. Question 1c. If he fails to pay the first 2 monthly payments, find the amount he has to pay on the third payments in order to settle the outstanding arrears. 3 mark. As you can see, n equals to 3, I equals to 0.042 per 12, and you may use this formula to find the s. After adding up all the information, S equals to 7,301.21 ringgit Malaysia. Question 1 Part D. Immediately after paying for 20 years, he decided to settle the balance of the loan. Find the settlement amount, 3 marks. T equals to 20 times 12 equivalent to 240. N equals to 300 minus 240 equals to 60. You may use this formula to find the A. After adding all the information, A equals to 131,045.07 ringgit Malaysia. Part B, Question 2. Vijay plans to travel to Japan with his friends. To achieve his dream, he needs 40,000 ringgit Malaysia. He can save only 750 ringgit Malaysia per month in Bank Spring, which offers 3.9% interest compounded monthly. How many monthly deposits must Vijay make to accumulate at least 40,000 ringgit Malaysia? 6 mark. S equals to 40,000 ringgit Malaysia. R equals to 750 ringgit Malaysia. I equals to 0.039 per 12. You may use this formula to find the N. As you can see, you need to use log as well to find the N. So in the end, N equals to 49. In conclusion, Vijay must make 49 monthly deposit to accumulate at least 40,000 ringgit Malaysia.
Hello, this is Muhammad Hamim Muqri bin Muhammad Helmee, no matrix 2025212578. IB answer the part A question 3. For the part A question 3, Adwa has just started his first full-time job at the age of 20. He dreamed of buying his first car when he turned 25 and decided to start saving early for a 20,000 ringgit down payment. To begin, Adwa deposit 9,200 ringgit into a car saving account that earned 4.1% interest compound quarterly. 3 years later, after receiving a salary increment, he adds another 7,000 ringgit to the same account. The saving account remains untouched and continues to earn interest at the same rate until Adwa reaches 25 years old and is ready to make the down payment. So for the question 3A, calculate the total accumulated amount in Adwa's saving account when he turns 25 years old. So I use the formula S equals to P bracket 1 plus I bracket the power of N. The first 20 years old, P1 equals to 9,200 ringgit, T1 equal to 5, rate 0.041, M equal to 4, N equal to 20. Then I add to the formula S1 equal to 9,200 bracket 1 plus 0.041 divided by 4 bracket the power of 20. The total is S1 equals to 11,281.45 ringgit. Then I add to the plus 2 years, S2 equal to 7,000 bracket 1 plus 0.041 divided bracket the power of 8, and the total is 7,595.02 ringgit. For the total equal to S1 plus S2, 11,281.45 ringgit plus 7,595.02 ringgit. The total is 18876.47 ringgit. For 3B question, determine the total interest earned by that time. The formula total equal total amount minus initial capital. I equal to 9,200 ringgit plus 7,000 ringgit. The answer is 16,200 ringgit. Add to the formula 18876.47 ringgit minus 16,200 ringgit. The total is 2676.47 ringgit. For the question 3C, based on your result, evaluate whether Adwa saving will be enough to cover the 20,000 ringgit down payment for his dream car. Explain your reasoning. I use the formula evaluate equals total minus car down payment. Add to the formula 18876.47 ringgit minus 20,000 ringgit equals minus 1123.53 ringgit. So, the saving is not enough to reach 20,000 ringgit because the accumulated amount is 1123.53 ringgit less than the target.